Hello everybody, welcome to another video. It's a bit loud here, if you can hear the noise. I'm standing on the balcony here in Zanzibar. It's an island in the east part of Africa, part of Tanzania. I came in here not long ago and today I will be going up to arguably the best place on the whole island, called Kendwa. So I'm gonna show you how I get there and my whole journey. I'll be checking out at the hotel and also getting on a bus from the, I think there's a bus station down here. So my bag is packed and I will be heading out. Let's go, I'm ready with my bag. Goodbye, Monir, my friend. See you.
See you.
Thank you.
All the best, guys.
Thank you. That was Monir, he's the manager here in this hotel, Smiles Stone Town. He's a really cool guy. So this is the street here outside of the hotel. Quite a lot of people and a bit dusty. Hopefully I can find the bus station. It's supposed to be over here somewhere, not that far from where I am now. And there's supposed to be buses leaving to every single village here on the island every 45 minutes. Dalla bus station. So I got a bit sunburned the other day, but today I have my Swedish sheep hat with me and my t-shirt that you can buy it from swedish-sheep.com. Yeah, now I'm going around the corner here to the bus station. Hello, do you have a bus to Kendwa here?
Ah, Kendwa.
Kendwa. Only Nungwi or Kendwa also. Hello, you go to Kendwa?
Yes.
Kendwa, okay. What time is it going?
On time
5 minutes.
Training.
And how much it costs?
Shika kanapuliza.
2,000. I wanted to take the local bus to see how the local people are and what they do and look like. Apparently 35% of the population in Tanzania are Muslim and 65% consider themselves to be Christian. We passed by a big market and started heading out of the main city on the island, called Stone Town. It's the main hub on the island for transportation and the airport is also close by. It was an interesting ride and we were going from the west part of the island all the way up to the north and northwest part of the island. Besides from the hotels by the beach, I had seen many older buildings and not developed areas along the west coast of the island during my journey. We stopped a couple of times along the way and the people I'd met seemed really friendly. Came out here in Kendwa after its long bus ride. Here is Kendwa Rocks. Hello, how are you? Good, how are you? No, I'm walking, thank you. Oh, this is some kind of village here called Kendwa, and the really nice beach is supposed to be right here. Here seems to be some kind of school also. The bus ride was really hot, but yeah, it was interesting also to see how the local bus is, but I probably won't take that again. It cost only 2,000 shilling to go like an hour and 15 minutes up here, which is like not even $1. But the other day when I went 5 minutes on a tuk-tuk, I paid 5 times more, 10,000 for like a 5-minute ride. But to take a taxi all the way up here from Stone Town would have cost probably 100,000. I would guess like $50. So I've been walking for a bit now, a couple of minutes, and I'm almost there. I think the beach is coming up here on this side, hopefully. It's quite hot out here. Must be 30 Celsius, 88, 90 Fahrenheit. I had arrived at Kendwa Beach B&B, right on the beach in the most famous area of the whole island, called Kendwa. It's the biggest beach and it sticks out of the water for almost 200 meters and stretches for several hundred meters. Yeah, for 3 nights. 3 nights, yes.
Okay. So you can have a sit there.
Okay, I have arrived to Kendwa Beach B&B. What was your name?
Ladao.
Lalao.
Ladao.
Lalao.
Lalao.
Nice to meet you.
From Kilimanjaro.
Kilimanjaro.
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you, Ladao.
Oh.
Thank you.
Hakuna matata.
Hakuna Matata, my friend. For you, my friend.
Hakuna.
Thank you.
Easy.
Oh, perfect. Ah, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, from Kilimanjaro.
Yeah, Kilimanjaro.
Yeah. How long have you been here in Kendwa?
Kendwa, long here.
No, 1 year.
We not yeah.
Ah, okay. Thank you very much. See you later.
See you later.
Unfortunately, you can't try the beds here like I usually do when I do my bounce test, because they're all wooden bed frames and no springs in the mattresses so far. So it would break first of all, and then, yeah, I don't want to break the bed. No bounce. But there's a swimming pool, I think. So that's what I'm gonna do now. The Swedish sheep never gives up. He tries everything until something succeeds. That is my motto. Try everything until something succeeds. It looks so nice here. Oh, so hot. And the biggest beach, I think, on the whole island is right here. Kendwa Beach. My room on the 3rd floor had cost me $50 per night, and I had a nice view from the balcony and was really excited to head down on the beach. Yeah, this is quite nice to have so you don't get the mosquitoes in the night. Now it's time, my friends. It's finally time for what you have all been waiting for. The pool drinks. People have asked me lately about my workout routine, what kind of workouts I do. I showed a little bit in one of my previous videos, but I usually do really simple workouts, push-ups, pull-ups when I can. I also have my flex band. I usually do 50, 30, 20, and then 10. And then I do some more at the end. Also, if you have a chair, you can do shoulders. Lift it forward, and then to the sides. And shoulders like this. You just need to make sure you pump out the muscles when you go. When it starts burning, you know, when it starts to hurt, you have to go a little bit more. Alright, my friends, it's time to go to the beach. I was a bit skeptical when I first came into this city of Kendwa, but I changed my perception now, and I think it's quite nice. Hello, my friend.
How are you?
How are you? Good.
Hakuna matata.
What is your name again?
My name is Rapoi.
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 He's gonna show me where the swimming pool
Yeah.
is.
Hakuna.
Hakuna Matata.
Yeah.
Lion.
Yeah,
If you
lion.
see a lion,
Yeah.
you smash the lion.
Yeah.
Poof.
Yeah.
So here is the swimming pool. We're gonna start off with the handstand. across the pool here on this little ledge. Only a few simple pool tricks. We're gonna go down to the beach now also. Well, now I'm coming out on this incredible beach here. It's a really huge beach. It must be like 100 meters long or so, 300 feet, and then it stretches around all the way up to the north part here in Nungwi. Here we have a pirate ship. We have a pirate flag here and the British flag. Now it's so nice here. I've seen a lot of tourists from France and Germany, and yeah, it seems to be actually a lot of tourists here. There are some reefs, but they're not here. They're a bit off of the shore. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna swim quite far is my plan. So I just ordered a chicken curry and avocado salad and chicken curry for a total of 17,000. The chicken curry was 10,000, but I'm quite hungry, so I also got another 2 dishes. Here is Salim. He says this is a seafood restaurant, right?
Yeah.
Seafood restaurant. It's the best here in Kendwa. The best seafood
Yeah,
restaurant.
the best seafood is here.
In
So,
Kendwa.
yeah, welcome all people.
Yeah.
We are nearby Kendwa beach, and
Yeah.
2 minutes from here to the beach. We catch everyday seafood, fresh like lobster, rock lobster, calamari.
Perfect.
Everything we have.
I'm starting out with avocado salad here, really good. So now I'm trying the chicken curry. My friend, thank you. Very good food. I do a documentary about Zanzibar. I should have gone earlier when the sun was more up. Quite nice here. Swam up for a bit. Here comes the boat also. Cool off. The temperature is pretty good here. Pirates. So I'm back. I'm gonna maybe rest for a bit. I have to reach 100,000 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and help me get to 100,000 subscribers. It's gonna happen. I said it already when I had 453 subscribers when I lived in Greece. I said I'm going to 100,000, and it's gonna happen. My friends, it's raining, but we have to go and buy some chips. All the grocery stores I visited in Zanzibar had been really empty and not much to choose from. How much does this one cost?
7,000 shillings.
7,000. Rain, rain, rain. But quite good. So come along with me, my friends. It's the end of this video. I was speaking to a guy on the beach before I came back here, and he told me that the really nice reef, you have to take a boat to go out to the really nice reef. You can't swim there. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, if you liked it, leave it a thumbs up, post a comment if you're on a laptop or a phone, let me know what you think, and yeah, that's it. See you in the next video. See you next time. See you next time. See you next time. See you next time.